Hello everyone! So for this month's fair, we decided to record a tutorial video to make sure that you're comfortable with using the platform. We're gonna explain and show you all of the features that will be available to get familiar with the technology. If you have more questions, of course, feel free to contact us at any time. We are gonna show you in a second how to schedule meetings. So if you need a training session on anything specific, you can request a meeting with us later to go over more details. But for now, let's hear Lina and me explain all the features that we have on the website.
Okay, thank you, Lisa. So we're going to send you the event link and you will be taken to this page. Write your email that you sent us to your work email. Click continue. You will receive a code to your email. So the email will look something like this. Here's the code, 4048 for me. So I can put that in here and it will ask you afterwards for a password. You don't need to set up a password. If you don't want to, you can skip password for now. And it will take you straight to the home page, the reception page. The first thing you should do when you log in is go over here on the right corner to your profile. Click on the settings and edit your profile. We want you to please add your full name and a professional picture as well as your position title. The name of your school should be already on there. If you want to, you can add your country, state, and city. And under industry, you can add the programs available at your school or like the most popular programs at your school and save. The interest tab is more so for students. So when you see their profile, you can see what programs they're interested in. Also over here at the bottom part on Manage Dashboard, you can see your profile analytics. So you can see the users on your profile, and here you'll be able to see a list of leads so you know who to contact, who's been looking at your profile. Okay.
Yeah.
And next, the event feed. Lisa?
Yeah, so here we would be happy if you would be engaging with the students. We encourage you to put as many posts as possible. You can just send something like me, hey everyone, this is me, this is Lisa from ApplyWave, this is James from Arendelle Academy. Just put something out there. You can put polls, you can ask questions, you can put campus pictures. Yeah, we would just ask you please not to put your personal WhatsApp or admissions email, so we can redirect the students rather to the ApplyWave profile. That way we would be able to help you with follow-ups and conversion of the students that were in the fair.
Perfect. So we want you to keep posting on here, and we'll keep posting on here so all the students are engaged. Then we have the exhibitors. So here you'll see the list of all the schools participating. I'll show you an example of an exhibitor profile. This one, for example. So students can see a few pictures and videos as well as a short description of your school, the campus location and a scholarship offer and the programs offered. They'll be able to see the contact person here. So when you complete your profile, you will show up right here. Student can choose to set up a meeting with you by clicking on Meet. They will choose the date and time, and they can ask you anything here and send a request, and then you can accept their request. It will show up on your notifications. What they can also do is chat with you, so they can send you a message over here. And they can do that here as well. And over here on the right side, this is where your brochure will be. So if you send us a brochure, this is how students can access it, so you can put even more information on there. Over here in the scholarship offer, when students click on more information, it will take them to your ApplyWave profile, so they can apply directly on there and they can read even more information about your school. Okay. And next we have the
agenda. This is where we will post the sessions that I was talking to all of you about. I'm still, by the way, accepting proposals and pitches for the 15-minute sessions that we are going to do. One about studying in Canada, one about studying in the US, and one, if possible, if any one of you has a testimonial of an international student, we'd be happy to have him invited to the fair as well to give us a talk about how their experience was like. As soon as I will announce who will get to do the session, it would be perfect if we could just do a one-on-one training. Like you can just request a meeting with me and I can show you how exactly does the platform work for you to hold the live session. But yeah, just for you to know, this is where you can see at what time, which one of the sessions is going to be held.
Perfect. And let's go to meetings now. So after you approve a meeting from a student, it will show up on your list of meetings. So here should be a list with the time that you accepted. And all you have to do is click join meeting at the time and it will start a video call between you and the students. Now the meetings are 15 minutes each. And if you go over or under, that's fine. Just try to manage your meeting so that you don't go into over on your meeting and eat away time for your next meeting. And yeah, you can choose to cancel or delete the meeting over here or message the student directly from here.
Yeah. And again, as I said, we were planning to hold some contests for students. The one that we sent here is the selfie contest, just as an example for you to see how it will look like. The students can post pictures here. For example, for this one, other ones will be quizzes. Yeah, so there's different options that we can include. This is the Apply with mascot Yoshi, by the way. Yeah, so I'm still asking you to submit anything that you can offer as a giveaway. It can be a scholarship prize. In that case, we would love to include an exclusive contest for your school if you were willing to offer a scholarship to the interested students. Yeah, or else you can just give us some giveaways. It can be a coupon, it can be a plush teddy bear, a t-shirt, whatever you can make up your mind to give to students. Yeah, so we are literally trying everything to keep the students engaged and keep them interested in the fair, the contest, the event feed, yeah, the meetings. We're trying to get them to get in touch with you.
Yes. And we can also add a quiz-based contest as well as an entry-based contest where they can write like a short essay or a short paragraph and choose winners based on that. So last but not least, over here at the top corner, the bell, you can see some notifications like if someone liked your post, viewed your profile, accepted your meeting, or requested a meeting. And then here on the paper airplane, you can see your conversations. So all your messages, this is a super important place to contact students. And of course, you can start conversations with any of the other attendees over here. And that's pretty much it.
Yeah, perfect. So as I said, if you have more questions, if you feel insecure about using any of those features, feel free to ask and feel free to contact us for meeting slots. Bye.
Thanks.